Hey guys, welcome to my city. I am super happy you are here. I am sure that my city is very similar to your city and to everyone's city. We all have more or less the same places. Let's go and explore this city together. We can walk through the streets. People walk the streets and the car go through the roads. You have to be very careful when you cross the roads. Walking down the street, the first building we find is the market. Do you have a market in your city? In the market, you can go shopping and buy fruit, vegetables, milk, a lot of things. You can also buy food in other shops, but you have everything together in the market, so it's easier. After going to the market, I want to show you the school. I am sure you have a school in your city, even more than one. You go to the school to learn different things, such as maths, art, science. What is your favorite subject? Mine is history. I love history. The next building is super important. The hospital. Every city has a hospital because people can get sick and need a doctor. Hospitals are big buildings with a lot of people working inside. There you can find doctors, nurses, and a lot of people everywhere. Oh, and don't forget the ambulances. Let's cross the road. Be careful. Do you see this big gray building there? This is the museum. Do you have a museum in your city? Our museum is an art museum, so we can see lots of paintings inside. Do you like paintings? The museum can also be historic museum, and then you will find mummies or Roman things, everything super interesting. I love going to the museum, but they are always full of tourists taking pictures of everything. Leaving the museum, I want to show you the theater. We often go to the theater in the afternoon. They make great plays in there. Apart from the theater, you can easily find a cinema in the cities. Theaters and cinemas are good ways to spend an afternoon during the weekend. They are always full of people, so you have to make a line to buy the tickets. Do you prefer theater or cinema? I love both. Let's cross again the street. I want to show you the bakery. In the bakery, we buy bread every morning and sometimes we also buy cakes and pastries. The best cakes in the city. There are several bakeries in the city because there are a lot of people. I love the smell of the bakery. Do you go to the bakery every day? Take a look at this big red and white building in the corner of the street. This is super important. The fire station. If there is a fire in the city, the fireman will go with the fire truck to extinguish it. You can hear the siren of the truck from every corner of the city. It is so loud. Every city needs at least one fire station. It is one of the most important buildings. Now let's go to this big brown building next to the museum. Can you recognize it? Yes, it is the City Hall. From here, the mayor rules the city. People can go to the City Hall to make different procedures or simply to visit the building. You can assist political meetings as well. Have you visited your City Hall? Now, do you see the blue building next to the fire station? This is the police station. It's another important building in the city. You must have a police station in your city. Policemen keep the city safe and help people with many things. If you ever have a security problem, you should ask policemen for help. And I am sure you're thinking if we always have to walk up and down the city. The answer is no. We have plenty of these yellow things. Bus stops. There are a lot of bus lines depending on where do you want to go. You just have to wait next to the bus stop and wait for the bus to come. This way, you can move easily around the city. The last place I want to show you is one of my favorite places, the park. I am sure you have a park in your city. This one is very big and green. A lot of people go there to walk. Others go to play football or frisbee. And most of the people walk their dogs in the park. I love going to the park with my friends and spend the afternoons with our bikes. How often do you go to the park? Well, this is my city. We have other things, but these ones are the most important ones. Did you see places in my city that are also in yours? Can you think of other places in the city? Now you can make a list. Bye bye!